Hello, this is Richard White with the Polytechnic School EdTech Instructional Screencast on backing up your computer for Apple computers. So, you have a computer and you have data on your computer, and you're going to lose your data at some point. This is inevitable. Your computer will get dropped or stolen, or your hard drive will die, or Microsoft Word will crash and you'll lose that paper you were working on. Data collected by Google reveals that 1 in 3 hard drives fails within the first 3 years of operation. Bad stuff happens to good people. The only question is, how will you recover your lost data when that happens? Here's the simple solution. For that data that you care about, think of your music, your photos, your schoolwork, your tax documents, your emails. Everybody needs to have 3 copies of that data. 1 copy on your computer, 1 copy on a local external drive, and 1 copy in the cloud. Let's see how each of these work. The data already on your computer is the working copy of your data, the copy of your files that you typically use. You don't need to do anything special here. You already have this copy. The second copy that you need to have is a local backup, a copy of your data that you keep on hand in case you need to recover from a mishap. Current versions of Microsoft's Windows, Mac OS X, and Ubuntu Linux allow you to use system software to automatically create backups of your computer onto an external drive. All you have to do is get an external hard drive, plug it in, and let the computer do its thing. Make sure that you plug the external drive into the computer every other day or so to make a new backup copy of your data. On the Mac, the backup program is called Time Machine. Let's see how Time Machine helps you recover lost data. On my desktop here, I have a folder called Family Photos. I'm going to accidentally delete that folder from the desktop and then accidentally empty the trash. Fortunately, I can recover the folder and its contents by plugging in the backup drive. When I do that, I can launch Time Machine and go back in time to a previous state on my computer. It's from these states that I'm able to identify the missing folder, click on the Restore button, and restore the folder to the desktop. My family photographs are safe and disasters averted. Time Machine requires an external hard drive, and if you don't have one just lying around, you'll need to order one. A good choice for this is a USB 3 external hard drive, preferably one that has 2 to 4 times as much capacity as you think you'll need. The more capacity you have, the more backup versions you can keep. I've done some research, and this Western digital drive is reasonably priced and has great reviews on Amazon. There, I've ordered it. When I receive it in a couple of days, I'll be able to begin making regular backups of my computer. The third copy of your data is a backup of your backup. A second backup copy of your data is necessary, and ideally this one should be located off-site. In the event of a local disaster, fire, flood, earthquake, or theft, you'll still have that separate copy of your data safe. There are lots of creative strategies for trying to manage this third copy on your own, but most people I know pay $5 a month or so to have an online service keep a copy of their data. Both Backblaze and Carbonite are highly recommended. Their software runs in the background on your computer, silently makes copies of your documents, and uploads them to their servers whenever you have an internet connection. In the event that your data gets deleted, lost, or stolen, you can retrieve a copy of your files from the server. Personally, I use Backblaze. Let's see what happens when I again lose that Family Photos folder. To replace your lost data, you log on to the website, identify which folders or documents you want to be restored, and wait a bit for them to be prepared. Once they're ready, you click on a link to have the files downloaded onto your machine. I can tell you that I've had occasion to restore lost data using both local and cloud-based backup copies. It's nice to know that these strategies work. This presentation has been a brief introduction to backing up your computer. Please take a few moments over the next few days to begin establishing your own backup routines. You won't regret it. This has been a Polytechnic School EdTech Instructional Screencast by Richard White. Thanks for watching.